Education and employment. The country we chose is Canada.
How is education different? The universities or college prices vary. Post-secondary education cost is between 2,500 and 8,000 Canadian dollars. Depending on what work you want to apply on, you must find a program on a college or university that certificates you. The teachers have better qualification and they are better paid. The pre-elementary education is not mandatory in the country, but the child should start at the ages between 4 and 6 to be educated. There isn't an education national department. The organization is divided in provinces. Canada puts a lot of effort on the holistic education and there's a dress code, but just a few schools ask students to wear uniform.
How is education similar? The academic life divides on three parts: elementary, secondary, and post-secondary education. There's public and private education, just at elementary and secondary levels. There is college and university as in other countries like the United States.
Uh, what would you need to study there? Firstly, you have to know in what course and institution you want to get in. Then you have to prove you have the required level of English or French. Then you have to choose either a college or university. And secondly, you have to apply for a student permit.
These are images of schools located in Canada. An interesting fact about the education in Canada is that Canada puts a lot of effort in holistic education. This means that they are interested on how the children are developed around the community and with other people.
Another interesting fact is that since children are really young, their parents decide in which language they want to study, if it is in English or French or both.